DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DGM TV, weekly Pidgin English update. I beg, if this one is the first time when it be say you today see our videos like this, I take God beg you, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJM TV. Make you come knock your hand for the notification bell so that you go continue to get our ogbonge news for the Pidgin, the entertainment, and even the main news. Me when one nakuna this story again this week, Naim be una country brother Stanley Okocha.
I'm right here with some of those that were injured today by some thugs that was sent by His Excellency Mr. Godwin Obaseki. He's alleged to be so already to attack them because they are supporting the aspiration of Pastor Osage Ezeyamu, and all happened in the front of the Upper Palace. As you can see, these are pictures from this attack of today. See them, they are well injured. I don't know if this is real politics, you know. So one of them is going to talk to us right now about what really occurred. You can imagine this. You can imagine that. Okay, please. What really transpired?
3 times I go make I know now they use now in this cutlass. Now Mutari do am, Mutari a go stone, I go stone. Now do am, I see them face to face.
We are surprised. We have never seen this kind of election, this kind of politics before in the history of Edo State. Even right in the front of our father, front of the palace of Oba, they came. We never knew. They said they are having a flag off today at the stadium. What now concerns them with the Upper Palace that we are supposed to, our candidates coming to receive a blessing of our Oba? That was when some gunmen, including Mutari, Ebu Stone, Tongo, and their boys, they came, started shooting sporadically to everybody.
By God for them.
We don't know if this is how they do election. This is just the beginning. I don't know whether on that election day they will come with grenade and dynamite to come and retired Edo people, in the presence of police, a governor who was supposed to be a security to guide these people. The governor now buy guns for thugs, hooligans to come and kill these people. Is that the kind of governor? Is that the kind of governor we want? No. We can, no matter what, even we're not going to relent. Even if we are the last person on earth in this Benin, we will say no to his leadership. The way he's trying to take the state is taking Edo State to, we will not accept it. And by the special grace of God, we will fight this battle to the end. This is just the beginning.
The great of Edo people, the great of Edo people, the great of Edo people. Yes. Man, today surprising, we are in the Oba Palace. Our Oba is doing naming ceremony. We surprised our PDP people that are doing their own rally. All of our surprise to us, they now brought better gun. They now start to shoot everybody. This is the thing that have not happened in the history of Benin before. Since my father was born in this Benin, they have never shoot gun in Oba Palace. I'm surprised that God in Oba Seki, the governor of Edo State, he now brought the tours. They now be shooting gun in the palace, in Oba Palace. You have never seen this kind of thing before in Benin.
Bloodshed in the palace, bloodshed in the palace, bloodshed in the palace.
Make Buhari come, make no interfere for waiting they have to so for Edo State. I beg, we beg the people of Edo State. Waiting happen so never happen before for Benin.
Never happened before.
I beg, don't see God.
They do the government, no respect for Oba. They come here, they shoot old women, shoot children, shoot everybody. Scatter mama, no back at car.
Okay, go ahead. As decent people of Edo State, we must say no to election violence. We must say no to thuggery. We must say no as youths to politicians using us as thugs to oppress other youths of this great states. So on this note, we need to say no to oppression, because you can see you have just done body harm to people who are, because they are supporting somebody. You know, these people they have rights to freedom of association, freedom of expression, freedom of speech and everything. So you cannot give them body harm because they are supporting a particular candidate, because they are not supporting you and all of that. So on this note, we should ask Edo people to kindly take this message, this SLS, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, for him to know that these people, they will not relent. Even though they have injured them, they will not relent to support the aspiration of Pastor Osagi Izeyamu. Thank you very much and God bless.
Thank you.
DJ NTV.